What's up guys, welcome back to Auto Hedge. Thanks for checking out today's video. Today we're doing a product review on a really cool tonneau cover that a company called OEDRO sent me. This is a quad fold, hard tonneau cover, aluminum built. It's very nice. Let's get into it. I'll show you guys how to put it together and all the features. Let's go. So one of the most important things in my opinion, second to maybe the functionality of the tonneau cover, is how it looks. If you have a tonneau cover that looks like garbage, it's going to make your truck look like garbage. It just cheapens the entire look of the truck. This does not leave you disappointed. It looks awesome, very tough look. It has kind of like a topographical map design on the cover, which is really cool. I like the attention to detail there. I threw some VRP on this and it just shined up so nice. It looks great. All right, so this is how you open it up. Some of the functions of the tonneau cover. You can unclamp it there, unclamp it here. Nothing really special about this. This is kind of like the industry standard of what you see. But what is kind of cool that I noticed, like when comparing this to my old Tiger tonneau cover, it kind of has like a sliding mechanism, which is really cool. That's going to allow you to get like some different angles depending on like your truck line or your truck bed. I really appreciate that. And then it also has a little locking mechanism right here, just to be able to tuck it away nice and easy. Keeps it from rattling around. Like sometimes if this is you know, locked up, this thing will rattle around. So that's kind of nice. It also has a LED light right here, which is really cool because if you don't have a LED light in your bed factory, this is a really nice clean way to get some light back here. It also has these 4 really dense foam blocks. The point of these foam blocks is that when you actually go to fold this up, it has something to kind of like stabilize it so you're not putting like hard plastic against plastic. Really good idea there. It has clamps on both sides so it can lock in, allowing you to drive with it up like this in this position. Now I would have liked to have, maybe this, I don't know, this clamp looks a little bit like, I wish it was a little more substantial, but because this thing is so heavy, I don't expect it to be like coming up at all, but yeah, maybe like a little more substantial clip would be good, but overall, pretty happy with that. So let's take a look at the waterproofing. I really like how this looks. Each side has a nice thick gasket, appears to be pretty well glued together. As you're unfolding it, you can kind of see that the gaskets fit in very nice with the grooves on the F-150. I've been driving around with this for about a week and a half now, and it's been pouring rain, and I periodically will check in the bed and I don't see any leakage at all. I took it for a truck wash the other day too. I mean, it had like a tiny bit of water, but for the most part, it was completely dry. Now, a problem with some tonneau covers is that it doesn't have enough coverage. It's just not long enough to completely cover the end of the bed. This has a nice little lip right here, so it comes completely past the plastic trim piece. So when you do go to close it, it has really great coverage. I really appreciate that, and that's gonna allow some better waterproofing closer to the end of the tailgate, which is really nice. All right, so once the tonneau cover is completely open, altogether you're gonna have 6 points of contact. You saw the first 2 right at the very end of the bed cover. Then you're gonna have this latch right here. There's 1 on each side, 1 right here, and 1 right here. You're also gonna get 2 safety latches. This is kind of like this yellowy band right here. You can put this, there's a couple different places you can put this. I decided to have it a little closer to the back end. These back latches stow away really nicely too. Just unlatch it. Clips in, that keeps everything nice and tight. All right, let's get right into the install. I'll show you guys how to put this together. The good thing is there are no tools required for this. All you gotta do is pop on the latches and you're pretty much good to go. Now be careful, this thing is pretty heavy. You may need 2 people. I used to have a Tiger trifold tonneau cover that was very light. Of course, it wasn't like as solid built as this. It wasn't the hard aluminum, but this may require 2 people to put on. All right, so once you have the tonneau cover up on the bed of the truck, I like to get some alignment before I actually lay it down. So left to right, I just kind of used this plastic piece and lined it up flush with the plastic piece attached to the bed here. It's the exact same on the other side. And then also, something to consider here, it comes with some foam seal. Now, I had a Tiger tonneau cover that had some sealant already, so I already have this installed, but this is pretty straightforward. All it is 3M tape on the back end of this, and you're just gonna cut it, fit it to size, get it nice and flush with the back end of the bed. That's just gonna give a little more waterproofing on the back, but just consider that. Make sure you don't skip this step. And then you're gonna slowly lay the bed, or the tonneau cover rather, down. I think I'm actually perfect right there. I don't even need to make any adjustments. All right, now once you have your alignment all set up and just the way you like it, just unclip these two and then slowly roll out the tonneau cover. I like to take one last look left to right. I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Now I'm going to attach these back latches and the safety latch. All right, so first step is to attach this first latch. Just unlatch it here, slide it up underneath the lip of your truck. I like to make sure this back latch is pretty darn tight. You don't have to smoke it down, but I definitely like it to be pretty tight. And then get your safety latch, and you can either attach it in front or behind. I'm gonna attach it behind here. It's cool that they include an extra safety latch here. Just gives you peace of mind. I do wish this was a little different. This is pretty tough to turn. Remember the Tiger tonneau cover had something more similar to this that gave you a little extra torque. So if you can't get it smoked down, you may have to use like a little wrench or something, but it is good that they include that. I feel pretty good with that. All right, same thing on the other side. Drop down the latch, underneath the lip. Also, it comes with some of, it's like almost like a foam pad. I have the spray-in bed liner, so this is really, really grippy, so I'm not even gonna bother putting in the foam pad, but if you don't have the spray-in bed liner, it comes with a pad that's gonna kind of give you some better grip, and it's also gonna protect it. If it has bare metal, it's gonna protect the bare metal, so that's an option. It's really nice that they included that, and they include plenty of them. I think there's like 8 to 10 of those, which is really nice. And these are adjustable. These straps are adjustable, so you can make it loose or tight depending on, if you need to get around this or whatever. But plenty of length here. All right, now that I have my 2 safety latches secured and my regular latches secured, I can start folding back the tonneau cover. All right, then we just gotta attach these last 2 latches in the back. You can kind of utilize that light if it's dark and you can't see what you're doing. This slides back and forth. Latch it on that side. Come back over here. Slide it out. Attach it on that side. Also, just wanted to highlight the waterproofing on the back end of this. Really, really nice, solid waterproofing seal here. You got like 1, 2, 3 pieces. Seems very solid. That's important because on the back side of the tonneau cover, when you go to close this up, it's very, very fitted. It actually almost pops the tonneau cover up a little bit. There's so much of a seal, which is nice. That's going to ensure no water leaks into the back of the bed. Now it's also going to come with some waterproofing seal for the rear. It's going to have some 3M tape attached. Same process goes for the back. Just wipe down that lip with some isopropylene alcohol, remove the tape, cut to size, and just press it down on that lip. Make sure everything is really flush. Give it some nice pressure. Make sure it sticks really good. Give it some time to adhere to the bed. This is just going to prevent any kind of water, dust, and debris from entering the bed of the truck. Now, this is something that I really appreciated and thought this was above and beyond. Very great idea. It comes with a bunch of spare parts. So basically, like anything that has the potential to have some wear and tear over time, OEDRO sent in the box. So it has all these little brackets. You can unscrew these with a small screwdriver, and you can replace them very easily. It has the foam padding already installed on the bottom, so that's great. Like after some time, if you're getting wear and tear, you can just pop these off and replace them with brand new ones. Overall, guys, I'm really impressed with this tonneau cover. Going from the Tiger trifold to this, pretty big improvement here. This is way more solid. If you have expensive things, like if you have construction stuff, you have drills and saws and expensive pieces of machinery back here, you need that hard aluminum tonneau cover, because otherwise someone can just cut right into the soft tonneau cover, open it up and take whatever they want in 3 seconds. This is gonna be an absolute beast to get through, so you're definitely getting some nice security here. I've only had this for about a week, but so far, so good. I mean, it seems really like a great buy. I'll put the link in the description for this. Also, this is gonna fit 2015 to 2022 F-150s with no problem. This is the 5.5 foot bed. They have different sizes online, so you can just check it out, whatever your preferences are for the F-150. Supposedly, this holds up to 400 pounds. I'm pretty thick, about 230 pounds. I'm gonna get up on top of this and see how it handles me. Pretty good. I was a little scared I was gonna end the video by breaking the tonneau cover I was testing, but I'm impressed, no problem. Thanks for checking out today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.